Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to change the search engine in the address bar on the Mint browser app on your mobile device. This is a simple process that can help you customize your browsing experience. First, open the Mint browser app on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon. After that, scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the option labeled Search Engine in Address Bar. Once you tap on this option, you will see a list of available search engines that you can choose from. Finally, select the search engine you want to use, and it will immediately become the default option for your address bar searches. From now on, any search you type directly in the address bar will use your chosen search engine, making browsing faster and more personalized. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.